Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export and print designs with Canva. First, head over to Canva and log in. Once you've logged in, you'll need to find whatever it is you're looking for. Canva has lots of different things to choose from, so just go through and see what you want to find. They do have a dedicated section to print products. However, I'm going to show you how to print anything you would like. So I'm going to choose logo, for example. From here, obviously you have all the different templates and elements that you can add. So make sure to design exactly what it is you want to design. And then whenever you're done, on the top right, you can see there's a print with Canva. Click on here and you'll see that you can print whatever it is you designed to different places. For example, bags, cards, documents, magazines, etc. So make sure to just go through and see where you want to print it to. If nothing on here has caught your attention and you just want to simply export the design, all you need to do is click up here to share and click on download. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.